So in this video, we're going to be showing you guys how to use the glue aid in order to help you make wisps. You can make these wisps with black lashes, brown lashes. For this video, we're using colored lashes to make wisps, but that's just because that's the work we've been doing recently. But you don't have to use colored, you can use whatever you choose. The key is that you basically have to take the glue aid, apply it on the lash strips. And then, as you can see, it's going to be much easier for you to pick up the spikes or the wisps with your tweezer. And then you're just going to apply it to the client's lashes. For the purpose of this video, we're just applying it on the adhesive sticky dot here, but just to show you guys. But normally you would be applying it to your client's lashes. The key is just try and make sure